in with me. Then do your job. Lay on the bed. Give me some head. Don't have to ask. Don't have to beg. Juicy is my name. Sex is my game. Let's run train. On my nuts. Lick on my butt. Is that weird? Lick on my butt. Oh! I can't breathe.
How did you do that?
I can't breathe. Oh fuck. That's Dodge.0. Oh fuck.
How the fuck did you
I don't know.
Then you could at least sat in the chair.
I don't know what I want. Oh, dude, I just got fucked by a rhino. That's what it was.
Actually, you got fucked by a lawn chair.
No, that was the wall, dude. I hit the wall. I think I'm paralyzed.
How's your ass feel?
I can't breathe. I cracked my back.
That shit was funny.
Oh, dude, my back is killing me. What did I trip on?
Chair legs.
Fuck you, chair. Fuck you.
You got white shit going down your back.
Dude, I gotta
Turn
watch
around.
that video.
Turn around. Let me see your back.
Dude, I can't breathe still.
Let me see your shirt and your back. Your pussy and your crack. Come here, dude. Holy fuck.
Dude,
Turn around.
I thought you hit your ass, not your back.
Dude, I hit my back. I went right on my back.
Wait, is that your stretch marks or is that your back? Oh, dude, you got like something going on.
Oh, man, that
Hey,
hurt.
go look in the fucking bathroom mirror.
Let me see the video.
Hang on.